Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. Today we're going to make us some brunch for Miss Penny and I. We're going to do a quick, supposedly quick, easy recipe. We're going to make tortilla pizza, or they call them a bar pizza. Thin crust, but we're going to use a tortilla, a flour tortilla. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, now I'm going to set my oven here, put it on bake. I'm going to go for 400. Okay, 400. Over here, I'm going to turn my skillet on. Get that heating up to about a medium. Once that gets warm, we're going to spray that with some of this. Okay, then we're going to offload one of these here flour tortillas. Extreme wellness. Whoa, are we well or what? Now, if you guys are following Weight Watchers, those are 2 points. And everything else in here except for the pepperoni is 0. Pepperoni, well, pepperoni really is 0 for 4 slices. That's this here turkey pepperoni, like that there. But anyhow, 4 slices is 0 points. So I did 4 here and 4 here because I'm going to put 4 and half the pizza for Penny and half for me. So we got a few black olives there, some diced onion I did. There's your quarter cup of cheese. We're going to put that on there. That's 0 points. And then I got some tomato sauce I made myself, and I spiced it up so it's a pizza flavor, like a pizza sauce. Okay, so that's all the ingredients. Let's get to it. Okay, so it's a good idea to try to have all your stuff already laid out like I showed you. I've already got everything. I'm going to take out my flour tortilla now. I'll go over here and grab it off this thing here. Okay. Put this over here so it's out of the way. Just to give you a little view here, see it fits in my pan a little bit, but it's going to be up on the edges a little. But that's all right. I'm try to bulk this up a little bit by I'm going to add some chicken to it, some shredded chicken, just a little bit, just trying to give us a little bit, so it kind of helps fill you up a little. And we dump this cheese here. That's a quarter of a cup of cheese. And I won't lie, I did pack it just a tad bit. And I got my onions and because what you want to do, you want to get this pan hot, like I said, about medium heat. And then we're going to start it here in the pan, and then we're going to take it and put it in the oven. So we'll give you it'll get hopefully a little brown here in the pan while we're putting it all together, and then it's going to go in the oven for just enough time for the cheese and that to melt. It feels kind of warm to me, so I'm going to give us a little start on this. Spray a little bit of the good stuff. Now we're going to put our little flour tortilla in here. Okay. Now we're going to put some sauce in here. And you don't got to go crazy with the sauce. Just scatter it around like the pizza guy does, You don't want to make this too wet because then it won't crisp up for you. I know it looks kind of silly with the edges, but the other pan was way too big. So we wanted to have nice, I wanted to use these before they went south. Put it that way, huh? Flour tortillas, they don't last that long once you open the bag, so I'm just trying to get some of this sauce up a little high on here because I'm pretty sure it's going to stay like this. All right. So then I'm going to put a little bit of the cheese on here. Remember, this is just 1/4 of a cup, so you can't go too crazy with it. I'll put just about half of what I got. Maybe a little more. Okay, then we're going to put some onion on there. I love the smell of onion. Lately I've been using a lot of diced onion. That's kind of why I have it in a Ziploc bag. But I'm still running my experiment. One more day will go with the product review that I was doing for the vegetable saver thing, whatever you call it. So I'm going to put a little chicken on here. Like I said, this is just to help bulk it up a little bit, that's all. You know, because it's not that much. And this is 0 points also. And the pepperoni I'm going to use, that's made from turkey. So you can go all the way up to, once you get past the 4 slices, you can go all the way up to 10, and that's only 1 point. So, but what I did was, I'm trying to make this as, you know, like I said, me and Penny going to be sharing it, so put just enough. Okay, put some olives on here. The reason I'm doing the olives, Penny likes olives, so I like the black ones. I'd rather do these than the green ones, so, but I'm doing these mainly for Penny. If it was just me, I don't know if I would be doing them, but since she's working and I'm making her a little brunch here, this is what we're going with, all right? It takes care of that nonsense. So now we put that down. We got that. We take some of our pieces here. And we're going to try to decorate this like in half. Put a little piece here, a little piece there. That was like 2 pieces in one spot, see? It gives you a little taste of this, a little taste of that. So that's see, that's like only on half the pizza, so I don't want to cheat nobody. Especially when you're counting on points. Penny really tries to stick to this, you know, are you sure we counted that right? You know, you got this many points, you can't have this, you know. Because there's times I just want to eat. And it's not in the realm of possibilities, I guess you could say. But this here, like I said, with this turkey pepperoni, look at that, 4 slices, and you dice them up just right. Look, they covered a whole dang pizza. And this is just a little snack thing anyway. It's not like it's a meal. But anyhow, we're done with that. Now what we got to do is throw a little bit more cheese on top. And I'll tell you, I really, like I said before to you guys, I didn't realize that 1/4 cup of just cheese went so far. I'm telling you, every time I use it, I'm amazed. I'm like, we used to use a ton more cheese because Penny likes cheese. Luckily, we got to find this here, what you call 0 points, because it's no fat. Now we're going to check the bottom of my pan here real quick. As soon as this oven is done, I just want to make sure that nothing's like getting really, really dark or burnt. It's brown just a little, real light, so turn it up just a tad. Maybe it'll catch up to the oven time, huh? Well, don't look bad, you know. Looks pretty nice. But for all you people that are, you know, following the Weight Watcher thing, this is a nice little snack. It takes you a few minutes, and boom, you're done. That's going, and this is done. Sealed that up, you know, yeah, yes I did. All right, to put this here in the sink. Gotta put a cover on this, put this in the sink. Gotta get my mitt before I forget, and then we'll take it and put it in the oven, forget coming out, and I'll burn myself to death. All right. Oh yeah, we are getting there. That looks pretty nice though, don't it? Yeah. All right, wait for the oven. We'll be right back. Okay, the oven just beeped. So now, take this and into the oven it goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Remember now, that's a 400-degree oven. We're going to leave it in there until the cheese melts. I'm going to put a timer on for 10 minutes. I don't want nothing to burn, so. That being said, we'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, my friends, there you see it. I took it out. The edges here really starting to crisp up. I didn't want to burn it, so I took it out to 8 minutes. At 400, it melted the cheese pretty much. There's a couple places where I put it on a little heavy, so we're going to let this cool a minute, and we'll be back when we're slicing her up. Okay, so what we're doing here, I'm going to show you. This piece is going to slide right out. There you go. Easy cleanup on the pan. Next time I think I will use the bigger pan, it don't matter. But see on the bottom there, nice and golden brown, not too well done. That's what we want. So now we're gonna slice. Come on. Did you not slice all the way through, Daniel? I don't know. Oh. Okay. Okay, there you have it. Got 4 slices out of that bad boy, and now we're gonna meet you guys at the taste test table. Okay, so there you have it. I'm gonna plate up, and then we'll meet you at the table. Okay, I just wanted to show you, being fair and square, everybody's getting the same amount of pizza here. Okay. Okay, hope everybody can see everything okay. So now we're at the taste test table to try to munch on our little tortilla pizza. Ooh. Yeah, don't forget, you get you a bottle of this stuff here. It adds a nice little, like, pizzeria flavor on your stuff. Penny loves it. She wants to put it on everything. Huh? Yeah, you crazy. Anyway, let's take a bite of this champ here and see what we got. You know what this reminds me of? You remember Domino's thin crust pizza? I swear. It reminds you just like that. Now remember, you guys, you need to try this, but when you make it, unless you're following Weight Watch something, put whatever one on there, whatever amount of cheese, what kind of cheese. This is no fat cheese, so it doesn't melt as well, but it gives you a nice little flavor. And if you use the 1/4 of a cup, you're in like Flint if you're on WW. But outside of that, this thing that exactly reminds me of a Domino's thin crust pizza. And we used to eat those we'd eat one and then we'd want another one. Okay. That was delicious. I really have to say, that is one delicious little snack right there. Okay. When you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, make sure you got a bottle of this here spray stuff so you can spray your hands or get the gel and you group them up. Wash them when you're in the car. When you get home, wash them again. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another delicious snack just like this. That way you can tell all your friends why you're eating it. And then give us a like, thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you have not yet. When you do that, the little notification bell will pop up, and then you hit that. That'll tell you each time, well, we put out a new video. You don't got to go look for it. It'll come to you. Okay, now at the top, in the box there's an arrow down. Just watch the one you push nowadays. They got like an advertising arrow. But anyway, there's one right below the video screen there. You hit that, a drop-down box will come down. It'll have some more in the description. I'll give you a link to our Facebook page, Cook with Mr. Dan, and also give you a link to my daughter's artwork site. But the complete recipe, the ingredients, and how we did this will be down there also. But like I said, this is by no means, you know, you have to follow this. But no, this is just a basic thing. This is what I do for my wife and I. But you guys can put whatever you want on it. You can put turkey, you can put sausage, you can put hamburger, you can put bell peppers, you can put whatever you want on this pizza. Remember, you're the creator. It's all you. Anyway, so this is Mr. Dan saying, stay here, my friends. And when you are, you come back and we'll give you another delicious snack just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying we are out for now. Please stay safe and come back and see us soon.